For a start, you can tell us all about your amazing house.
Boat.
Floating mansion.
Dress store.
Oh, uncultured Philistines! This is a theatre.
A theatre?
Yes! The Temple of Dreams, the Shrine of Story, the place where people are shown what they could be if they wanted, and what they'd like to be if they dared to.
You want to be careful with this one. She likes riddles.
Theatre! You know, dramatic productions, thrilling entertainment, small binoculars.
I like what you're saying, but that's not really what I'm seeing.
There is a reason why this theatre is bereft of life, but I can never tell you. Never.
Oh, that's quite all right, dear. We understand, don't we?
Oh,
yes.
Quite
yes,
right.
Of course.
Of course.
Oh, very well, if you insist. Lights!
How does she...
Poetic license. Shh. I think we're in for a story.
My name is Emma, and I was but a lowly stagehand. But I was happy, and never more so when he was around. My leading man, my dear, sweet Mr. Phillyonk.
He's sweet.
Oh, just use your imagination. Now, where was I? Ah, yes. I was never more happy than when I was watching my handsome Mr. Phillyonk on stage.
It's not more ugly to the thing that helps it than is...
Your skull, my love.
What?
I mean, Mr. Phillyonk, sir.
Here.
I hear him come in.
Thank you.
Let's withdraw, my lord.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
I was infatuated, blinded by love. So badly, I'd forgotten myself and did the worst thing imaginable.
Sea of troubles.
I whistled!
So what?
You must never whistle in the theatre. It's terrible bad luck. It was all my fault.
Thank you.
I had cursed the theatre. And so I vowed that from that day on it would never open again. And I, Emma, would stay here, alone, unchanged, and undying in my eternal misery.
Oh, Emma.
Oh,
Bravo.
amazing.
Very good
Oh,
indeed.
that was wonderful.
Truly a performance for the ages.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. But as you've just heard, the theatre is currently closed, so if you please all leave by the first convenient exit, that would be splendid. Goodbye.
Do we really have to go? I was just starting to feel at home.
We can't stay where we're not wanted, dear.
We'll just have to make do with this. Till we can find something a bit bigger. Well, that was in a hurry.
Where's it all going?
Down the drain.
I'm sorry, Moomintroll, it's all my fault.
Sniff?
I should never have pulled that silly old plug out. Paddle for it. It's your only hope.
But to do that, we would need to...
To turn this theatre into a ship, and I know just how we can do it.
I told you, we're closed.